What's up everybody, this is Missy from Lansing Hoops, and today I'm going to show you a fun combo that puts together the two tricks that we've learned over the last couple of weeks. If you don't remember, those were the easy lever pickup and also a wedgie, and this combo looks just like this. So what we're going to do today is put together the lever, and then we're going to step over right into the wedgie. It's a super simple move once you understand the basics. What we'll do here is put the hoop on top of our standing foot and get ready to make that lever just like we learned in the tutorial from a couple weeks ago. Here, for this, the same foot that does the lever work will also step around and inside the hoop. Lever, wedgie. And now a fun variation of that is to use your opposite foot. So this time, what we're going to do is still lever with our original foot, but instead we're going to do a baby pinch and wedgie on the opposite side. For that variation, instead of using the same foot to lever and wedgie, we will lever, and now this standing foot becomes the wedgie leg. It reaches around and push. And that's how you do the lever wedgie combo. Really great for dramatic flair in your performances. Thanks for watching Lansing Hoops. If you have any questions, make sure you hit me up in the comments below. And if you'd like tips and tricks just like these delivered straight to your inbox, sign up for my newsletter today at LansingHoops.com. Talk to you soon.